Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to clean up your temporary files in Windows 10. You might be used to this disk cleanup method that's been around for years. If you type in disk cleanup, and here's your disk cleanup tool here, you pick your drive and it kind of does a little scan and tells you what it could remove here. So there's only a certain amount of things it could do. And rumor has it that Microsoft's going to get rid of this in Windows 10 soon, which is kind of unfortunate. But fortunately, there is a replacement for it, or I should say another way to do it in Windows 10, and that's from the settings. So if you go to your settings, so let's say you have the regular Windows 10 start menu, here's your settings icon right here. Then go to System, and then find Storage, and then find this link that says Free Up Space Now, and it's going to do a little scan of your computer here. And while that's running, let's see how much space we have on our C drive to begin with. So we have free space of 8.9 gigabytes, so we'll see what we get after this. All right, so now it shows your categories here: Windows Update log files, System Created Error Reporting files, we'll get rid of those. Windows Update Cleanup, that's a lot, 7.5 gigs. Thumbnails, temp files, recycle bin, I'm going to leave that because I don't like to have to do my recycle bin until I'm ready. Temporary internet files, this is most likely just going to do for Edge and Internet Explorer, not for Chrome or Firefox. Delivery optimization files and DirectX shader cache. So let's just go with what they have here. And let's do remove files and see what happens. So here's the total. Selected 7.8 gigabytes. Click on that. And we'll wait a minute and see what we get. Okay, now, as you can see, the file removal is done. And this took some time, so I paused the recording. It probably took at least an hour. I didn't check the time to see what started. So let's go back to our C drive here and go to our properties. And now we have 11.5 gigabytes free, so we got some good space back. So once again, from your settings, just go to System, Storage, and Free Up Space Now, and then let it run and decide which one of these items you want to pick to clear up your space. Just read the description on each one so you make sure you're deleting stuff you really want to, and then just click remove, wait till it's done, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.